And the Lobos are counting on at least 17,000 of those New Mexicans to cheer them on tonight at the pit as they take on the UTEP Miners in the first round of the NIT Championship. News 13's David Romero live at the pit with more on this. David, how's it going out there?
Not too bad, Deanna. It's looking pretty good, and there's at least 20 people in line right now waiting to get those tickets. And, of course, tonight's matchup is a rivalry between the two schools that goes back to at least the late 1920s, and fans are ready for some great postseason play. Now, both are coming into the NIT as top 5 seeds, and both are also coming off losses. Now, UNM lost to BYU and UTEP to Memphis. Now, that's firing up a lot of these fans from both sides who lined up at the UNM ticket office starting this morning at 8. Throughout the morning, the lines have expanded to at least 60 people at one time. The ticket office reps say everything has flowed smoothly to this point, and they expect it to be close to a sellout tonight.
We just happened to be here and we got lucky, but I think we would have traveled too to come see the game. Once in a lifetime.
I was hoping that they would be in the NCAA, but I'm excited about seeing the Lobos in the NIT or the NCAA. I just love to watch the Lobos, and so go Lobos.
Yeah, definitely. Go Lobos. And, of course, I spoke with the UNM ticket office earlier, and they said they've been slammed all morning with sales. As we mentioned at the beginning of this story, there's about 20 people in line right now. It's been moving fast. People spend no more than about 5 minutes at the window. Now, if you want a chance for a ticket, you had better act fast, and here's what the breakdown of what it'll cost you. That's $5 for UNM students with a valid student ID, $15 for seats for the general public upstairs in the club seat area, and $10 for all other seats downstairs. Now, tickets can be purchased here at the UNM ticket office, select Albertsons locations, or online at Ticketmaster. Deanna, back to you.
All right, $15 for club. Can't beat that. Thanks a lot, David.
Not bad.
If you're not able to watch the game in person, your next best bet is on TV, and that's on ESPN2.